Nearly 100 families involved in the National Road 6A land project are demanding that Leng Navatra's real estate company deliver the homes and villas they purchased by the end of 2025. The families who bought land, houses, and villas from the project have been waiting for nearly 5 years since the purchase. On September 12th, 72 of these customers signed a letter, which was recently revealed on September 29th, requesting that Leng Navatra's company honor the agreement and complete the construction of the houses they had already paid for. The properties, located in Block B, Villa 533, in the Anlong Sleng Village, Sambor Maz Commune, Muk Kampul District, Kandal Province, were purchased in July 2021. The buyers claim that according to the sale agreement, the company had promised to complete construction within 18 months, with keys to be handed over by January 11, 2023. However, with the deadline passed, the company has not met its obligation, and customers have not received compensation. The agreement stipulated that if the company failed to deliver, it would compensate customers $100 per month until construction was completed. According to sources, it has been over 4 years, and the homes have still not been delivered. Customers allege that despite multiple requests made directly to Leng Navatra, no resolution has been provided. The customers are now demanding that the company either deliver the properties by the end of 2025 or refund the full amount they paid, including a 10% interest rate. In addition, they are requesting that the company provide compensation for the significant delays in water and electricity service connections, which have yet to be fulfilled. Furthermore, the customers have called on Leng Navatra to build a total of 90 houses and villas in Block B as agreed, to ensure they have a place to live. If this is not possible, they demand a refund of all payments made with the specified interest. Since 2023, Leng Navatra's real estate company has been repeatedly criticized for failing to deliver land, houses, and villas as promised. Former employees have also revealed that the company has failed to pay sales commissions that were owed for successfully selling properties. One Facebook user, Sofactra Sofaclieb, recalled that after 4 years of waiting, the company still has not paid her commission despite her efforts in selling properties for them. Another user, Kum Samfus, added that the company's refusal to pay any commission or fulfill the sale obligations had left them feeling cheated and disillusioned. The Cambodia Daily has not been able to reach Leng Navatra for further comment on this issue at the time of publication.